Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Okay, for this project you're going to need the clear glass bowls. You'll need 2 of them from Dollar Tree. That right there is a bronze color mirror. My husband painted it white. You'll also need the frosted glass paint to paint your little bowls. Those are little LED lights to put in the bottom. Some paint brushes. This is the little snow. Mod Podge. Some paint. You'll also need a bowl so that your glitter and snow doesn't go everywhere. And you'll need some glitter and some flowers and some ribbon for this project. And then for the little hats, I found these little flower pots at Dollar Tree. So I really like the hats, and you'll see I found a mug sleeve that's got sequins on it, and it fits over the little hats perfectly. And there's some fake fur and some little cotton balls and your hot glue gun. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so this is the mug sleeve. So my daughter just took it and slipped it right over the top, and it fits perfectly over these little flower pots from Dollar Tree. And if you rub it one way, it turns silver, and the other way is pink. So what I'm doing here is just taking the Mod Podge, and I just bought 2 of them at Dollar Tree, and the brushes at Dollar Tree too. And I'm just going to kind of make, like basically a little zigzag or wave design. And you can draw it out with pencil first, or you can just, freehand it like I'm doing right here. But you're going to put a coat of the Mod Podge all around it. And it just works easier for me not gluing them together first. It's easier to hold and for me to handle and to decorate. So, you can glue it together first, or you can do just like I'm doing here. It's your choice. Okay, next I am going to add glitter to cover the Mod Podge. And it's just easier for me to pour it over it into a bowl. That way it's easier to clean up. But I purchased the glitter at Walmart. And I don't know if you've ever seen from they're called snow babies or snow bunnies, like at Christmas and Easter. But I used to collect them when I was younger, and so this little snow baby reminds me of them. So that's kind of what inspired me to make these. Okay, and then these are just the little silver snowflakes from Dollar Tree. They come with a sticker on the back, but I went ahead and hot glued mine on just to hopefully make sure that they stay. So I just put 3 of the little silver snowflakes on. But you can use whatever embellishments you want. But I bought the frosted glass paint at Walmart, and I also bought the white paint that I sprayed the mirror with at Walmart too. Okay, and now I'm going to do the little snow baby's hair. And so I'm going to make this one a little bit longer, the loops a little bit longer. Okay, it's almost ready to add the glitter. I just sprinkled the glitter over the Mod Podge. And it really looks pretty. You can choose whatever color glitter you like, but I just kind of went with this iridescent. And like I said, this is going to be the little snow baby's hair. Okay, and this is just some black acrylic paint for 50 cents at Walmart. And you might want to use a pencil to draw this on, but it never crossed my mind, so I just started painting. So I'm going to paint some little, like how it has its little eyes closed and its little eyelashes showing. And you'll kind of want a stiff brush when you're painting the little snow baby's eyes. And if you kind of look, I have a long piece of hair right in the center, kind of like where the nose would be. So kind of dip down right in the center with the glitter and the Mod Podge, and then have an eye on the left of the long piece of hair and an eye on the right, if that makes sense. I just think it looks cute that way. And you could add glitter over the top of the eyelashes, kind of like eyeshadow, I guess, and it would look cute too. Okay, and now for the lips, I just chose a kind of bright pink color, and it's the 50-cent acrylic paint at Walmart. And like I said, I just freehanded everything. So I'm just painting some lips on. Okay, so now she's got her eyelashes and her pink lipstick on. And this is the little flower pot that I put the little sleeve over. And I'm just going to put some Mod Podge on the top of it and add some glitter to it. This step's really not necessary because I ended up putting cotton balls over the top of it, so it really doesn't even show. And then I just use the hot glue gun to glue some little pom-poms on, or cotton balls, to the top of the little hat. And I had some pieces of fur, and I thought about, using a few pieces of the fur to hang down to look like, a fuzzy top or some hair, but I just decided to leave it with the glitter hair and leave it like it was. But maybe on the next one I might try to use some of that fur. And I just put a bead of glue all the way around the top, and then I use some of my fake snow just to try to dress it up a little bit. You could also take a strip of ribbon and put around it. That would be really pretty. Okay, and on the bottom part of the hats, where I thought about I could put a little like Sherpa or a little of the fur around the bottom, but I didn't. I just went with a little fake snow this time, so maybe next time, we'll see. those little balls of snow go everywhere. They're light styrofoam, so they just kind of fly everywhere. So we had them all over the bar, all over the floor. And then I just took one of the gold flowers and just cut it off and put it in the center of the cotton balls for the embellishment on the hat. I thought that was cute. Okay, and here she is with her hat on. Okay, and here she is all lit up. You'll want a little pop-up LED light that you just push the button, and you'll set it on top of your mirror, and then put your globe over it, or your little snow baby over it, and she just looks gorgeous sitting there. She looks like a little princess. So we were really proud of the way she turned out. And we also made one and added flowers to the top of her head instead of a hat. So I hope you like our little snow babies. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and share. Thanks, guys.